Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two trading platforms, which is Trading 212 and Trading Republic. So let's quickly dive into it. But before that, note that this video is based on collective data review. So let's get started. Trading 212 and Trading Republic both make investing simple, but they cater to different users. Trading 212 shines with its wide range of stock, ETFs, and CFDs, plus features like fractional shares and auto invest, which is user-friendly and great for beginners who want flexibility and controls. However, it can have slower support, and a slightly higher CFD spread. Talking about Trade Republic, on the other hand, focus on low-cost, long-term investing. It's clean, minimal, and perfect for those who just want to buy and hold without paying much in fees. But it lacks advanced tools and has a limited market option. So, if you want a varieties and more trading features, go with Trading 212, and for simplicity and saving, Trading Republic wins in the aspect. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.